From the snow-capped peaks where the silence speaks, to the golden shores where the ocean meets, a land of colors, a tapestry grand, the ancient pulse of a sacred land. Through the pages of time, your glory shines bright, a beacon of hope, a guiding light. Oh my India, you are great, a beautiful truth, a magnificent faith. United we stand, diverse and free, a cradle of peace and harmony. Oh my India, forever strong, to you our hearts and souls belong.